worried about Wandy. And I know one thing go for. He's like, so
she's in Nigeria, ne?
Yeah. So I was watching Doc Berry, the porn stars podcast, right? The first time watching it, because I saw a tweet, someone saying Wandy. Then I went to watch the podcast. I think it's called The Chat Room. So these girls are getting BBLs, and then these BBLs are funded. So the girls from allegedly, it's not Beyond a Pulse, I know, but allegedly, the girls from This Body Works for Me.
Yes.
Dion is in Nigeria. Wandy's in Nigeria. So obviously they told the world they're going there to further pursue their adult career, adult entertainment careers, right? So now they're repaying these BBLs, and there's some vibes where apparently their social media is controlled by someone. I tried following Wandy on Twitter because I wasn't following her, and account is locked, and it says I will only accept follows if you prove you subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Yes.
And then Instagram, I couldn't find it, and people like the comments were switched off, etc. And somebody else is controlling it, and when they get that side, apparently they take their passports, and now they're working to pay back the money, and it's not comfortable at all for them. And the two of these girls allegedly, well, the two are from This Body Works for Me, and apparently they're saying these are the conditions they're in. So they're in Nigeria and they're not comfortable.
Mina, you're worried about Mina. You're worried about Mina. Nyasanya. You're worried about Mina. Kunini nginyekelile. Kunini nginyekelile. Kunini. I left South Africa in March. Kunini nginyekelile. Kunini. Fine, I'm being watched, I'm being controlled. Nihlangana kuphi? Nina ngakhi? Nyazi ngigqoka size bani? Nihlangana kuphi? Angisho into enifunayo lo from me. Nihlangana kuphi? Oh, you guys, you just miss uWandy lo behlupheka. You guys just wish you miss uWandy lo beyemubi. uWandy lo wayenomzimba omubi. Why? Nginenzeni khona ngizokwazi ukuxolisa kuma South African nginenzeni. Block them. Ngizoba blocka kanjani? All these 1,000 people ngizoba blocka kanjani? Cause everybody, it's like 90%, at least 10% yama followers they behave. 90%. Why nginenzeni khona ngizokwazi ukuxolisa nginenzeni ngitsheleni ngizokhona ukuxolisa nginenzeni.
Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nokuphila. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ukulike video, share video as well. So on this particular video, guys, ngithanda sikhulumeni ngoWandy Ndlovu. Angazi ukuthi ngeke ngenze video ngoWandy Ndlovu on this particular channel. Yeah, but uWandy Ndlovu ilamantombazana asebenzayo, amantombazana aphandayo. But I do not know what to say. She's an influencer, she's a S-worker. I think simazi kakhulu when it comes to This Body Works for Me, lezi zemzimba. You know what I mean? Ukunikeza ubhuti and bese siyathola imali, whatever you call it. When it comes to YouTube community guidelines, angifuni nje ukusho amagama ngathi athintini azovela ngifake enkingeni, right? I'm sure you already know that. So uWandy Ndlovu labo sisi labo ube khona kwishow liyane This Body Works for Me. Does it say My Body Works for Me or This Body Works for Me? I'm sure that one so kuvele kwakunikeza idea mangithi My Body Works for Me, which means I earn money when it comes to my body, you know what I mean? So ngabe neshow yeso girl laphana when it comes to such stuff. So ugirl ke umntana sesemncane, right? Usasemusha uWandy, she chose that life ukuthi uzophila leyo mpilo. Anyway, angeke ngande ngodaba lwakhe because angazi ukuthi ngalubeka kanjani emphakathini, like I do not know. According to me, they sell themselves, right? Okay, ngizogcina lapho. So kwaba nodaba ke ngake ngaluza. I think I posted video that was kuleya channel. I think angakabi na le channel kwakuthi uWandy Ndlovu she relocated to Nigeria. uWandy Ndlovu sehambe wayenza stripping. I don't know if stripping is a right word here. Khona ngase Nigeria, right? benza leyo msebenzi le eNigeria kwathiwa Wandi Ndlovu nanga udayisa into zakhe ofurniture ntontoni. Mina ngathi awandi, why uzodayisa into zakho? Because awazi ukuthi impilo le eNigeria izofika ibe kanjani, right? What nasasi responda based on what we heard on social media kuthiwa udayisa into zakhe yonke into ifurniture yakhe ngoba relocate usesuka eMzansi useya eNigeria. So mina ngangithi instead of selling into zakho funa i-storage or siyasizokhuluma ngoma wakho noma wake something like that, thatha impahla zakho ubekise komunye umuntu udinga indawo uzibeke uhambe kuye eNigeria than ukuthi udayise, because awazi ukuthi impilo that side izofika ibe kanjani. Mhlawumbe uzofika ubhedele isimo udecide ukubuya back, masubuya back wena udayisile ifurniture nayo yonke into, indawo yokuhlala whatever. So for me I was like, no girl, kwaku wrong ukuthi udayise. I did not know ukuthi wayedayisile ifurniture, but that is what was said here. Like I said, Tina, will comment based to what we read online, right? So I was so against the idea of yokudayisa izinto zakhe kwele Nigeria eyenza i-stripping whatsoever. Siyezwa ukuthi hayi uWandi ubuyile back bafethu ukhona eMzansi. Ngasengithi mina manje nje bokuthi udayisile ifurniture usezoqala phansi noma mhlambe hayi akadayisanga. So angazange ngazi ukuthi what happened to uWandi kwaba ukuthi usehambe eNigeria usebuyile eNigeria manje ngezwe istory ukuthi uWandi is back to Nigeria. I'm like, woo girl, when it comes to you stories iningi, there's a lot ngata ka wena kwaba laphana ke when it comes to the podcast and show where usolphenduka wayikhuluma ukuthi okay laba abafaka ama BBL wakhuluma nje ngabo Wandi Ndlovu ukuthi abafaka ama BBL ngesikoloto something of sort. BBL is it British butt lifting? Ubani ongayazi iBBL nowadays bafaka ama BBL bangezi ibunu ke mntaka bawo. Okay oh. So udaba lakhe mangimamela le clip kaSolo ngathi uthi it's like ukhona umuntu mhlawumbe bakhokhelayo benze lawo ma BBL bawafake mase bawafakile and then usuyagoloda phela. Khumbula uma umuntu ekhokhelile wafaka iBBL iyadura phela lento kwathiwa is thousands and thousands, right? So uma usufakile leyo BBL ke usukoloda bani uma khokhela, which means it was those Nigerian men maybe uWandi njengoba esebenza ngabo nje kuningi mina ngikufunda ngoWandi ikhanda lami lihlangahlangene. It's a whole lot, ungagcina uqamba amange ebantwini but ngizothi allegedly everything is just alleged. Kodwa uWandi not yena yedwa bafaka lawo ma BBL ngesikoloto and then they have to repay those people who paid for them. So for you to repay mntaba usuzenza noma yini efunwa yilowo muntu kumele ukhokhe phela isikoloto, you know what I mean? So mhlambe yona into eyasusa uWandi back from South Africa again abuyela eNigeria angazi ngoba ke izindaba zithi back to Nigeria, this is where she is. Abantu bawareading ukuthi hayi uWandi ungathi ulaphana nje against her will akafuni bayaphoqwa ngoba bafaka ama BBL kumele manje bakhokhe back. It's like social media yakhe is being run by someone. Kodwa sibona uWandi live rubbishing those claims. Nikhuluma ngani? Ngithi nikhuluma ngami. Ngi-right mina. Khulumani. Nenza imali ngegama la. Social media. Readibona kaSpedi readibona. Yo ayishame. Kune live uWandi ayenzile ke lapha eNigeria just to assure abantu ukuthi guys nithi mina ngithunjiwe mina ngikhokhela iBBL okay kuthiwa is true. As for paying those BBLs kuthiwa is true ngathi naye uvumile ukuthi kuyiqiniso but not ukuthi abafuna ukuba lapha baphoqwe ukuthi abakhokhela lawo ma BBL. Like I don't get it. So which means abantu are saying Wandi bathatha lana bengafuni just ukuthi beyokhokha isikoloto sabo seBBL. Is that what we are saying? Mina ngifuna ukukhuluma into engayazi but that is what is going on. So kuloku kuyinkulumo kaWandi. Guys, Wandi is not okay. She looks not okay. Mesenzi live is like there's someone next to her. She keeps on looking on the side, this and that, and I'm like, wow. Kuningi kudala lokho ngifuna ukwenza ivideo ngoWandi. I'm like mina ngathi ngizothi na kuleyo video because there is a lot that is being said. Ulaphana ngoba uyathanda uzihambele noma bamphoqele ukuthi abuyele eNigeria ayokhokhela leyo BBL. Nakhona again nawe mabe ufaka iBBL ngesikoloto angithi uyazi ukuthi kumele ukhokhe. So you know ukuthi we are still going to go through a lot for you to pay for that BBL money. So uhambe engafuni or like it's a must angithi kumele ukhokhe girl uthe ufuna iBBL. Mina ngathi umbano sowathi umuntu umene inqe enkulu uyabukeka like I don't know. Sengaze ngifaka iBBL ngena imali nje ngifaka ngesikoloto because ngifuna ukuthi nje ngathi ngiyaphakama ngapha emva because manginje what is the problem? I mean, if awungithandi nginje then awungithandi nginje, so leave me ngizothola ongithanda nginje. I mean, abantu abathanda into ezifanayo, amadoda abathanda izinto ezifanayo. Ukhona othanda islender, ukhona othanda umuntu onomzimba, ukhona othanda umuntu nje ophathi nendawo, ukhona othanda umuntu odark, ukhona umuntu othanda umuntu olight. Abantu abathanda into ezifanayo. Uzomthola nawe uzothanda wena unjalo ungana BBL. So why BBLize yourself ngesikolodo? For the what? But anyways, impilo zabo bafethu sibatshela baphile kanjani impilo zabo. Mhlambe I'll attach that live here. Maybe a short clip inyana ukuze singabi mde kakhulu. Ngiyabona la ayaposta khona ka Facebook. I think we respond enkulumeni zabantu eziningi, right? Kuna bakhulume ngaye ka podcast nchilo ka Soul wase trend abantu bethi yeah guys usoliphenduka ubeqinisile blah 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 blah. Now wasephendula ethi yena, I'm not trying to convince anyone. I don't owe anyone of you an explanation, and everything said about me on the podcast is true. Uvumile ukuthi into eshiwo ngoSoul laphana is true. Just to let you know, I am not coming back to South Africa. And ayikho into enizongenza yona. You all will get used to the new Wandi eventually, and you are more than welcome to unfollow. Hayi uthi ke you are more than welcome to unfollow. Mangaba uthanda into ayenzayo awusafuna ukumlandela, just press unfollow ke mdaka bawo. Ngizothola le active ke ngiyi-attach lana sizobuka uWandi ephendula abantu abacomment eziningi ngaye bethi BBL isikolodo akekho happy ngathi kunomuntu oceleni kwakhe blah 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 blah. So ke njengoba sephendulile lana ka Facebook ke ngizofika ukufaka ke i-live yakhe usuyayibuka abantu bethu belokho ebheke ecelene ngathi hey kukhona umuntu yenza i-live uthi since abantu bethi nale social media yakhe ngathi akusiyena ophendulayo. Like ngabe leso sikolodo singako ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi sekungaze ne social media yakhe iranwe somebody. Angaze asibuke leyo live siza ukuthi uthini.